Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your Coinbase wallet address. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, for you to find your address wallet, all you have to do is open the application, and once you're signed in and on the home screen, there's going to be two small buttons on the top, where one is going to be the normal, and the other one is going to be Coinbase Advanced, as you can see. So once you switch to Coinbase Advanced, all you have to do from here is go to the portfolio section. And then from the portfolio section, you'll find all the coins that you own. And then from here, all you have to do is click on deposit. And then you're going to click on deposit crypto. Once you do that, it will tell you all the options that you have. So for example, if I want Solana, then all you have to do here is once you click on it, you'll find your address right here. And then once you copy it, you can see your address right there. Either copy it, share it to anyone, and then you're going to close it. And that is pretty much it. That is how you find your wallet address. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.